shop with me in my small space garden.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacy. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
So first I'm getting these amaranth, aka callaloo. So I'm getting these over here. And I also have these over here that I'm going to get. Now, growing up, callaloo I had every Sunday morning. Literally every Sunday morning. Sometimes with saltfish, sometimes without. Sometimes mixed with cabbage. I mean, callaloo was the breakfast to have with some fried dumplings. And so in my younger adult life, I at one point I didn't like to have callaloo any at all. It's like me just get tired of it. Literally, I had so much. I was so tired of having it. Now, after getting older, knowing how beneficial it is, I mean, it is packed with iron. I started to fall in love with it again. And the fact that I grow it now, I enjoy it even more. This is how I really love to have it. Nice and tender. I love me some steamed callaloo with fried dumplings. So let's get these babies. And I am only taking off the branches so the main stem can keep producing. Isn't that lush? Murray and Steve, any idea where this came from? I think you're guilty. Thanks. Alright, so this is just about what I'm going to get today. I see cucumbers. Do you see cucumbers? Alright, so I'm getting this banana pepper right here. So this part you can see looks red. This part looks orange. You notice that this one that is coming up, it is yellow. So initially it was yellow like this, and I said, all right, I want it to get a little bigger, so I left it there. And then all of a sudden I saw that the color changed from yellow looking to orange looking, and I said, all right, it seems like it's going to be an orange one, but I'm going to leave it, let it get a little bigger. And so I left it, and then it starts to get red. And I said, all right, I think it's time to harvest. The orange is right here, the red is right here. So it is telling me, girl, I'm not getting any bigger. Come, time to get me. So here am I am getting it. Nice. I'll put it right here. So I'm going to, oh my God, guys, I was taking up the basket just now, and this it broke. Oh my, that's just how it is. Things like these happens, especially in a tiny space like mine. So I'm not complaining. I'll just have it. That's just how it is. Alright, so over here I have 2 jalapeno peppers. This is my first harvest ever. I've never grown them before. My first time. and I'm going to get both. So I have no idea what they taste like. So if you know, drop me a comment. And I have scotch bonnet peppers right here as well. I'm going to get these two, but let's get these two first. Nice. Scotch bonnet peppers. Aren't they lovely? All right, so I have these two okras right here that I'm going to get as well. Let me rest this basket right here. Nice okras. Lovely. Look at this beauty, guys. My sweet pepper or bell pepper. Isn't she lovely? I am so delighted to have sweet pepper again in my garden. And see, I have more to come. So let's get this. I also have a few peppers over here. It is not so hot, but it does season the pot so very well. I love the flavor it gives. So let us get these as well. Lovely. I am just so in love with my basket. Little, but it's halawa. Alright, so I have a few sorrel over here. Not to make sorrel wine, my Jamaican people, but to have tea. So yes, I'm going to dry them and add them to the others that I already have dried. So these are ready. As you can see, they're small, but I can see the seeds right there. They're opening up. So I am going to get these. I have younger ones coming up as well. So let's get these beauties. Alright, so we're going to get scallions or green onions or spring onions. So I'm just going to only get the top so they can continue to grow. See all these ones that are bending over? Those are the ones I am getting today. Harvesting and pruning at the same time. Guys, if you can just smell the smell of homegrown scallions or green onions, my. Smells so good. There is something just completely different about growing your own food. I mean, the taste, the looks, everything, the smell is just different. I can't explain it. It is just different. My garden family, I know you can relate. Oh my. The joy of having a garden. I almost forgot this little scotchy right here. Scotch bonnet pepper. Look at this beautiful basket. My tiny space garden did this. I am so grateful to God that I am able to grow what I eat and eat what I grow. You should do the very same. The rewards, it's second to none.
Thank you all so much for shopping with me in my small space garden. Until next time, walk good. Please follow my YouTube gardening journey here in Portmore, Jamaica, with inspirational farming videos. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it and thank you so much in advance. Feel free to hit the join button and become a GWS Family Elite. Thank you so much in advance. Also, don't be afraid if you're watching and you want to appreciate any of my videos, you can go ahead and drop me a donation of thanks. I will appreciate it. And thank you so much in advance. Also, you can support me by purchasing one of my books. Yes, my adult activity book on Amazon. The link is in my description. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.